Hi, I'd like to tell you about the styling tool by ANGE. I have been buying ANGE products for over 3 years, I think. They sent me this one as a gift so that I could try it out and show you how it works, tell you how awesome it is. So it's got titanium plates on the inside and you can see they're flat. And then on the outside, it shoots out cool air. So you're going to be curling your hair with heat and cooling it down right away. So you're going to turn it on like this. The fan goes on automatically, and it's got all the different temperatures that you can go up to. So I'm gonna let it heat up to 380. When it stops blinking, I know that it's ready. We're ready to go. You can hear the air. If you would prefer not to do air, you can do the air button to shut that off. I'm gonna keep mine on. So before I start, I did put heat protectant on. I've got 2 different kinds by ANGE that I use. This one is Rival. You can see I'm about out. I use this when I use their curling wand because I feel like it gives it a little more style to it, a little more hold. This one I like when I use this because this one is not crunchy, it's smooth. And so when I use this heat protectant, thermal agent, this glides through my hair really nicely. When I use this with the clip, it helps it stick to the barrel a little bit better. This one glides. Okay, so what we can do is, I'll just take one section for now and show you how it works. So I'm just going to put it about kind of close to my scalp, and then I'm gonna just turn it a little bit and glide it. And so that's what you're gonna do for like a beachy wave. Now, if you wanna do more of a curl, you're gonna take a piece of hair and you're going to keep turning it and sliding it like that. And so see, that's more of a curl, whereas that's more of a wave. You could see that. And you can also use this to straighten. So my hair is fine, it's pretty straight, but as you can see, it can kind of get a little fuzzy on the ends. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take it up here, and this is not hot right here. I'm just gonna pull it down, and it just nicely smooths that out. It's not as frizzy as like this piece. It's much more smooth. So that's how you use this. I'm gonna get ready for the day. Okay, so I'm done, and I went for more of a beachy, it's kind of half beachy, half curl. And on this side, I went back, all the way back, and on this side, I went backwards and forwards with different pieces, and it gave it a little bit more texture, which I think looks kind of cool. So yeah, this looks nice, got some volume, and I love this tool. Thanks.